Hey there, hi friends, how you doing? Doing great? Glad to hear it. I'm Jonathan Aragon, and this is a short video to show you how to set up your Perusall account so we can do homework readings. So what you do is you go to www.perusall.com, Perusall. Then you click on Get Started. Then you go to enroll in a course. You'll have to enter a course code, and it will be Aragon Aragon-KAKNU. And hit OK. And then you're going to go to Open, and it will take you directly to the course textbook where I have assigned readings, and then you can make comments directly here, and then the whole class can sort of see them and you can comment on each other. I'll send another video link that will sort of show you in more detail all the tools and how you can use them, but that's basically it. If there's something I forgot to say, it is, let me log out. When getting started, you just have to enter your email, your first and last name, and your passwords to sign up, and tell it, I am not a robot, however it wants you to use that. And that's basically it. Pretty straightforward. Nice chatting with you. That's it for now. Take care and goodbye.